Thermal, where do you think she's going?
Wait, hold on.
Wait,
Can we video it?
I think she's
Yeah, video it.
Is she getting
I'm
it?
good.
Do you want me to
I
video
just got
it
in.
too?
I'm videoing it. If anybody cares.
Do you have your camera on?
Did I take your seat?
My
Mom,
camera
second.
is...
I know.
Thermal, where do you think she's going?
I'm sorry.
See who gets the
I'm
closest.
excited to
dying
see
right
what
now?
she's
Yeah.
gonna do. She's
Connecticut.
Are you talking to her? I don't know.
nervous.
You gotta read the whole thing.
Dad says she's gonna go to Salt Lake.
Okay. I said Temple
No, that's
Square.
Jake.
Come on,
No.
talk.
She's going to Arkansas.
Temple Square. She's like having anxiety attack.
You have to read it all out loud.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, dear Sister Sorensen. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Read it!
Read it.
I'm going to Shad's mission.
Scotland?
Minnesota, Minneapolis.
No
I'm
way.
going to Shad's mission. Okay, that's so...
Wait.
Where?
June 30th.
Yeah.
Oh,
You going to her boyfriend's mission? Where?
I'm going.
Dude,
Yes,
that's serious.
I'm going to Minnesota.
Wow. Should have guessed Minnesota.
I used to live in
With all the Norwegians and stuff. What were we thinking?
English, Minnesota, June 30th.
Dude, that's soon. That's like,
Yeah. Yeah, 2 months.
wow.
Okay.
That's
I'm Ogola. You know who Shad is now.
Yeah, yeah.
Splendid. Okay, stop on there. Okay, hi. Dude, I'm so excited for you.
Congratulations.
Read it. You can read
I
it.
heard they hate blonde people in Minnesota.
There's lots of Lutherans. Okay, you're hereby called a service missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You're assigned to labor in the Minnesota Minneapolis mission. It is anticipated that you will serve for a period of 18 months. You should report to the Provo MTC on Wednesday, June 30th, 2010. You will prepare to preach the gospel in the English language.
Louder than that, it's so loud.
Dude, that's so cool. I'm not going to Norway. Oh my gosh. I'm going to Shad's mission. I know a guy in that mission. He was just roommate. I emailed him.